Everybody, welcome back to Goodale Farm. Today I need to till the garden, get some vegetables in. Thanks for tuning in. Here's what I got planted today. These are pumpkins I put from seed. I got some corn growing. I got 5 tomato plants that I bought in the plant. I got more corn and some cucumbers coming up. And here I got some green beans and some corn. All right, let's go look at the garden plots that I need to work on today. All right, this is the main plot. It's roughly 40 feet wide, and then length is probably a good 60 feet. Then I have another one that's not fenced in way over that way, so let's go take a look at that. All right, this one's way over here on the side of the pasture. You can barely make it out, but I'm gonna till this. It's roughly 1.5 to 2 tillers wide, and I would say probably 30 feet long. I think I'll put some of the corn, maybe some pumpkins down here. And the third one's, we're gonna walk way in the back over here. It's actually in the, I'll say the backyard part of my property, on the other side of the pasture, down the hill. We'll take a look at that. I'll be right there. All right, so I'm not gonna walk all the way down there right now, but I'll try to zoom in. It's right where this overgrown patch of grass is. It's on a hill. Thinking definitely pumpkins, because they need to sprawl out. But I'll till that and do my planting, see what happens. All right, the main garden is done. The soil looks really good. What I'll do is I'll move on to the other plots. All right, side pasture is done. It was easy. No fence, back and forth a couple times. Good to go on that one. All right, the back plot is good. Just a couple passes here, nothing fancy. Good news is I'm near the pond, so if I need to water, I can just slug some water up here and water the plants. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna call it quits for today. Really scorcher out here. Starting on the farmer's tan, which I guess is inevitable. So have a great day.